Okay, Jason bought 240 tablet computers for his shop. He paid £560 for each tablet. In the mid-year sale, he sold 5/8 of his 240 tablets. He sells these tablets for £640 each. In the next sale, he reduced the price by a quarter and sells the remaining tablets at this price. Calculate the percentage profit as a fraction of the amount Jason paid for the tablet computers. So quite a lot there in each of the questions, so let's just break it down a little bit. So 5/8 of the original 240 is 5/8 times 240, which gives me 150 tablets. These tablets are sold for 640, so the amount of money he takes for that is going to be 150 times 640, which gives me £96,000. Right, so if you reduce the price by a quarter, okay, so 240 minus 150 tablets, so the remaining 90 tablets are sold for 3/4 of the original price, because the price has been reduced by 1/4, then that means there's 3/4 left, times 640, which now means that these 90 tablets are going to be sold at £480. So that total amount will be 90 times 480, which gives me 43,200. So these two prices together are added together to give me the total amount taken. So the grand total taken will be 96,000 plus 43,200, which is £139,200. Right, so the percentage profit is the total profit divided by the total cost times 100. So the percentage profit will be this time the total amount taken, which is 139,200 minus 240, because we had 240 computers to begin with, and they were each bought for £560. Again, we need to divide that by 240 times 560, because that's the total cost price. And then we need to multiply that by 100. So that's going to be, if I do that subtraction, we're going to get, he made a profit of 4,800. We need to divide that by 134,400 times 100, which gives me 3.5714. So it's a percentage profit of 3.57%. Okay, so this has been a video to show you how to work out percentage profit. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.